Hello, today's question is what is the difference between an elder law lawyer and an estate planning lawyer? I am attorney Robert Pecori. I've been practicing elder law and estate planning now for 29 years in my family's firm, Pecori Pecori. So today you will learn what both of these type lawyers do, when you might need one versus the other, and the primary difference between them. So first, let's define them. So an estate planning lawyer is a lawyer who helps you plan for your legacy by determining how you wish your assets to be distributed via a will or a trust. They can also help you plan for incapacity by drafting power of attorneys, financial and health care. Lastly, an estate planning lawyer helps the facilitation and transfer of these assets after you are gone by guiding your executor or trustee through the administration process. An elder law lawyer does most of the above that I just mentioned, but they also help deal with the specific issues faced by the elderly and those with special needs. This includes estate planning and incapacity planning for those folks, but also more specific issues such as saving money from the cost of long-term care and or applying for benefits such as Medicaid or veterans benefits. So when might you need one versus the other? Let's go through some common examples. If we have parents in their 30s with two minor children, these folks need estate planning, so wills, trusts, power of attorneys, living wills. If you have that couple, but one of the children is possibly special needs, if a special needs child is receiving or will be receiving any type of government benefits, they need estate planning, but with a special needs trust. Otherwise, an inheritance to this individual would disqualify them from their benefits. Most estate planning lawyers can help with this situation, but likely all elder law lawyers could also do it. So what if we have empty nesters in their 50s with high value assets, perhaps chronic illness, and they're concerned about long-term care costs? This couple would need estate planning, but also long-term care counseling and planning. Again, you've heard in my other videos, if you need long-term care, it's $10,000 a month typically. That's usually financially devastating to most families, but we can plan against it with things like asset protection trusts, hybrid long-term care insurance policies. In the 50s is a great age to start planning for long-term care, actually. So this couple should talk to an elder law lawyer likely. So what if we have a couple in their 40s with kids, plus they have elderly parents who are slowing down? I'd suggest an estate planning for them, but the parents probably need elder law planning for them. This couple, by the way, is often the first contact that I receive about their parents. They may have been helping mom and dad, and they have noticed a decline and want to be proactive. So again, an elder law lawyer would be most helpful in this situation. So what if you're a couple in your 70s, your 80s, and one needs long-term care right now? Hopefully the estate planning is already done for somebody in that situation, but if not, you need estate planning. But I'd suggest an elder law lawyer to help with the long-term care planning. And their goal there would be to save assets for the healthy spouse and get Medicaid assistance for the spouse in need of long-term care. Remember, the key takeaway with all of this is don't think you just have to spend all of your money on long-term care costs. An elder law lawyer can almost always help. So what's the key difference between an estate planning lawyer and an elder law lawyer? Most elder law lawyers do estate planning. Not all estate planning lawyers do elder law work. Who you need to call then depends upon your needs. Everyone, in my opinion, needs estate planning, whether you're young or you're old. Not necessarily everyone needs elder law planning. Hopefully this gave you some understanding of the difference between an estate planning lawyer and an elder law lawyer and when you should call one versus the other. If you have additional questions, please post them below and I'd be happy to answer them. For more information, please visit my website, pecorielderlaw.com. There's also a free webinar on there that you can watch about how to save assets from long-term care costs. Pecori Pecori is dedicated to helping you plan for your legacy and protect your assets for your future. Thanks for tuning in today and have a great day.